Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download uTorrent into your Windows operating system for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our Chrome browser, and here we have come over the search option and search for uTorrent over here. You can see over here uTorrent for PCs showing over here. So if you click on that, you will come over this interface and you will get www.utorrent.com, and that will be a website link. So click on that, and after that you will get a free download option over here. So if you click on free download, so now if you can see this is downloaded, and if you now click on 2 times to install it, there will be a Windows for permission pops up. So click on yes, minimize this browser, and you can see that uTorrent web install wizard over here. If you now click on next, and you will get this kind of license agreement. So if you click on agree, and it will started the additional file to download. So it will take some of seconds, just to wait for a little bit. So as you can see, after download additional file, it will automatically going for setup. It will also take some of minutes. And you can see over here that installation is complete, and if you now click on finish, it will automatically open uTorrent. So here you can see this is a uTorrent web is over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.